What's social media marketing? Introduction to social media marketing. Social media marketing is a strategic approach to promoting products, services, or content through various social media platforms. It involves creating, sharing, and engaging with content to reach and connect with a target audience. Social media marketing leverages the immense user base and interactive nature of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more to build brand awareness, drive website traffic, and foster customer engagement. Benefits of social media marketing. Brand awareness. Social media platforms allow businesses to showcase their brand identity, values, and personality, helping them stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Audience engagement. Social media enables direct interaction with the audience through comments, likes, shares, and messages, fostering genuine connections. Traffic generation. By sharing valuable content and links to your website, social media can drive targeted traffic to your online presence. Lead generation. Social media provides a platform to gather leads and engage potential customers through forums, contests, and promotions. Customer support. Businesses can offer real-time customer support and address inquiries and issues directly on social media platforms. Market insights. Social media provides valuable data on audience preferences, behaviors, and trends, aiding in informed decision-making. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional advertising, social media marketing often offers a more cost-effective way to reach a larger audience. Getting started with social media marketing. Step 1. Define your objectives. 1. Clearly outline your goals, whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, website traffic, sales, or customer engagement. Step 2. Identify your target audience. 1. Understand your ideal customer demographics, interests, and preferences to tailor your content and messaging. Step 3. Choose the right platforms. 1. Select social media platforms that align with your target audience's behavior. Different platforms attract different demographics. Step 4. Create a content strategy. 1. Develop a plan for the type of content you'll share, such as articles, images, videos, or infographics, and the frequency of posting. Step 5. Content creation. 1. Develop high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Use visuals, storytelling, and consistent branding. Step 6. Engage and interact. 1. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. Engage in conversations and build relationships with your audience. Step 7. Use hashtags. 1. Utilize relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your content and connect with broader conversations. Step 8. Paid advertising. 1. Consider investing in paid social media advertising to reach a larger, targeted audience. Step 9. Analytics and measurement. 1. Use social media analytics tools to track key metrics like engagement, reach, clicks, and conversions. Advanced strategies. Influencer marketing. 1. Collaborate with influencers to leverage their following and credibility to promote your products or services. User-generated content. 1. Encourage users to create and share content related to your brand, showcasing authentic experiences and testimonials. Social listening. 1. Monitor social media conversations about your brand, industry, or competitors to gain insights and adjust your strategy. Retargeting. 1. Use pixel-based retargeting to show ads to users who have previously interacted with your website or social media content. Social media marketing is a dynamic and influential strategy that allows businesses to engage with their target audience, build brand loyalty, and achieve various marketing objectives. By carefully planning your approach, crafting engaging content, and analyzing results, you can harness the power of social media to grow your brand and connect with customers in meaningful ways.